classes for text color and background color. Like when you want to change the background of the text, when you want to change the color of the text, when you want to change the background of the text, how we do that? We have to write the class for that. Okay, but Bootstrap says like, I have all the list of the classes. You can remember the list of class. After that, you can message me in WhatsApp. Then you can message me in the WhatsApp. From there, I will add you. Now add below the classes for background color. Classes for background. Classes for background color. Classes for background color. Classes for background color. Copy the same class and paste here. And instead of text, put as a bg. BG danger, BG success, BG info, BG warning, BG secondary, BG dark, BG primary. This is the name of classes. Okay. So BG danger, BG success, BG info, BG warning, BG secondary, BG. So these all are the color combination. These all are the color combination for background. Okay, so these classes we can use to change the background color. These classes we can use to change the background color. Okay, hope ready. All are in the laptop. Please come in the laptop once. I have to share some list of the classes. And after that, we can create example. So hope you are in the laptop. Just give me 1 minute time. I have written for other batch. List of the classes. That is for padding, margin, and here there. Bootstrap has given 50 class name for the padding and margin. So 50, how we can write all. So here is one list I have. I will share you in the chat and I will explain and then we can implement it. Okay, so these classes I will add here as well. After that, okay, I've copied. Okay, these classes I share you in your chat. That is here. Tested 2 times. No. Please copy that class and add in your developer guide. I will guide what is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can create examples. Ready? Let's come now. Seema, just now I log in. I sent you again. Copy and paste it. Look at here. When we write number 1 will represent 4 pixel. When we are going to write number 1 will represent 4 pixel. 1 will represent 4 pixel. Okay. 1 will represent 4 pixel. Number 2 will represent 8 pixel. Number 3 will represent 16 pixel. Number 4 will represent 24 pixel. Number 5 will represent 48 pixel. Okay. So that number one reflect how much? 1 meaning 4 pixel, 2 meaning 8 pixel, 3 meaning 16 pixel, 4 meaning 24 pixel, and 5 meaning 48 pixel. Okay, now let us see how that works. Okay, let us see how that works. Look down. M for margin, P for padding, T for top, B for bottom, L for left, R for right. Like it is ABCD. Okay. So for T for top, B for bottom, L for left, R for right, those things are written already here. Right? Now come down. When we say M-1, M-1, what it is going to represent? M-1. So M for margin, right? M for margin. After that, M for margin and 1 for 4 pixel. Hope you are careful. M for margin and 1 for 4 pixel. So what will happen? Margin 4 pixel. M-2. So M for margin and 2 for how much? 8 pixel. So margin 8 pixel will get applied. If I write here M-5, what will happen? Waiting for your reply. M-5, what will happen? Waiting for your reply.
For margin,
Chat,
5.
Chat. In the chat you can reply. M-5, check the combination and think what it will generate. Write in the chat once. 3% wrote something. Once 10, 11 will reflect, then I will look at the chat. Okay, let us see what message came. Message came like margin 48 pixel, margin 48 pixel, margin 48 pixel, 20 pixel outside how we are. M for margin, margin 48 pixel. Okay. Okay. Now let me guide you. as you have written 1 for 4 pixel, 2 for 8 pixel, 3 for 16 pixel, 4 for 24 pixel and 5 for 48 pixel. Coming down again we have written M for margin, P for padding, T for top. This no need to say, you will understand. Now let's generate the combination. M means margin all side. M hyphen 1 means margin all side 4 pixel. M hyphen 2 means margin all side how much? 8 pixel. M hyphen 3 means margin all the side 16 pixel. M hyphen 4 means margin all the side 24 pixel. M hyphen 5 means margin all side 48 pixel. Now look down here, the list of classes. M hyphen 1, M2, M3, M4, M5 are there, but there may be requirement you want margin only from left side. There may be a requirement you want margin only from the left side. How much? 4 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel. See, M hyphen 1 means 4 pixel. ML is written here. ML margin left 4 pixel. ML2 margin left 8 pixel. ML3 margin left 16 pixel. ML4 margin left how much? 24 pixel. ML5 margin left 48 pixel. Look there, MR for margin right, MT for margin top, MB for margin bottom. How much? 1 to 5 means 4 pixel to 48 pixel. Look down there, padding. P hyphen 1 meaning padding 1. P hyphen 2 padding 2. P hyphen 3 padding 3. P hyphen 4 padding 4. P hyphen 5 padding 5. But padding 5 how much? 48 pixel. Padding 4 means how much? 24 pixels. Similar way, PL padding left, PR padding right, PT padding top, PB padding 5. Okay, now one question will be for you. MT4 meaning is what? And PR3 meaning is what? Waiting for your reply in the chat. Clean reply should come. What will come, don't know. Let us see. Okay, some reply is coming quickly. Padding 3, padding right, PR, padding right 16, padding right 16 pixel. MT4 meaning is what? I am asking meaning, Anvita. MT meaning is what? MT4 what it will represent? MT I wrote, you also reply MT. What is that MT? You can write in the text. Right? Hope you. Okay, so hopefully, right? So margin we understood. We are not going to write anywhere BR, HR, any inline CSS, internal CSS from our side. All CSS are exist. All the classes are already exist. Let us implement now. Okay. You see here, yesterday you have written the BR. Here also you wrote BR. Here also you wrote BR. So that BR and all not required now. Okay. BR we are not going to write anywhere at all. No BR. Anywhere. Create next file. Create next file that is called example5.html. There we are going to understand the color combination. Color combination, background color sometime you want to give, sometime you want to give the different color combination. So how to manage that color combination? Okay, how to manage that color combination and how to write that. So let's come. Example 4 already there. Example 5 till body you can copy. You can take the same thing. You can paste here and let's go. Start with the body and inside you can follow the HTML. Save the file. Example5.html. Follow here a division. Class equal to container. Container. Inside that you will follow the MT4. MT4. What is that? Margin top 24 pixel. MT4 when you write that represent margin top 24 pixel. Empty top represent margin top 24 pixel. Margin top 24 pixel. Next, after that, write a row inside. Class equal to row. It is compulsory every time. Whenever you create a container, there must be a row. Comment will be more helpful if you are writing the comment. It will guide you properly where the row start and where the row end. Okay, where the inside the row we are going to make total 3 columns or maybe 4 columns also we can create. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3. Under the 3 you write a paragraph and under the paragraph first add some text. The text word should not be such a big words. Okay, the text word whichever you are writing, a small word you write it, so page will look better. We will understand the point properly. Okay, ready? Next, after that, for this paragraph, write a class called P3. Meaning you understand? P3 meaning is what? Padding 3. Then BG hyphen primary. Background will come blue color. Text hyphen white. Background will come white color. Check this much. Hope you got something. His background is orange. Page were not orange, like this blue color. Text should be well organized like this. Okay. Right? Believe, hope, working. Now write a class called rounded. You will find the little radius got applied. Rounded class. Rounded. Use a class called rounded. You will find little radius got applied. Little radius got applied. Little radius got applied. Let me show you how that look. See, little radius got applied. A small radius. Now corners are not very sharp corner. It's a little smooth corner. So background is primary and text is which one? White. Okay. Now this is the 3 is over. The 3 is completed. You can write a comment here. 3 end. 3 end. 3 end. Right. Let us go next. Copy the same 3. Paste after this. Right here call BG hyphen dark or maybe black. BG black. Text white. So background will be fully black color and text will appear in white color. Background will be fully black color and text will come in white color. Ready? Let me check once. Say black color and text is white color. So this 336 is over. Copy the 3 again and paste after this. BG success you can write. Green color will come and check once. BG success, hope it is coming green color. Let me come to the next in the browser. Look like this. Green color. Add one more. Call LG3. BG danger. So background will be red color. Check now. This is called color combinations. This is color combination. Right. So hope you saw that color combination and everything. So this page, let it be like this. We will work for the next classes, next example. Let us go next to the developer guide page. And in developer guide page, you will add the next classes for table. Images you saw, color combination we saw. Now let's see called table. After that, again, we'll write another example. List of the classes for table. Classes for table. Classes for table. Okay, so which all classes we have for table, that we are going to see once. We have a class, main class called table. It has called table hyphen BORDERED. It has a class called table hyphen STRIPED. It has a class called table hyphen SM. and it has table, table border, table sm, table strip, and table hover. Table hyphen hover. This is the classes for what? For the table. Hope ready? Let's go ahead. Create a file example6.html to implement the table. Next file example6.html to implement the table. Till container will remain same. Close the division. Body you can close, and HTML also we can close. We'll save the file. Example 6.html. Ready? Create a row. Class equal to row. Next, create a division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3. 1 3 and 1 9. 9. Create two column 3 and 9 combination. Okay, hope ready. Come to the 9. Under the 9, you will write here college H3 called table example in Bootstrap. Table example in Bootstrap. Table example in Bootstrap. Come down after this, you will follow one table, and under this table, let's write TR, follow some TH, item index, item name, item price, next TH is quantity, next TH is details, next TH is something, vendor. Now after that, come down, write the TR, add some TD, zero one, second TD, mango, third TD, price, rupees 100 per kg. Next it is quantity, 5 kg. Next it is details, imported. Next it is vendor, Ramesh. Add one more item. After that we can write something. Okay, hope ready. Add one more item here. 3 items should be there, then it will look more better. So item number 2, item number 3. 2 is apple and third is banana. 100 kg, 200 rupees. Give some number, different number. India. Ganesh is the supplier. Hello. Okay. Okay. Means you are sending them some homework to do. Okay, so you have how many candidate details you have got? Okay, so email you are going to send to everyone, right? No, okay, no problem. You can follow up, you follow your own way, whichever the method you have. At last, after finalizing, you can let us know how many people is shortlisted. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Ready? Now, how many user you added? Three user, three item. The first is the heading, second one item, now third item. Now if you run this page without bootstrap classes, it will look like it is simple table, will not much look and feel, just simple table, very simple table. Okay, you can try also and check once how that look. Okay, hope written, please check now. Table look like something else. Something like this. Now in this bootstrap classes, once you add the bootstrap classes, then it will look more better. So let us go here and for table apply a class from the bootstrap that is called table and check how the look got changed completely. Look of the table will get changed completely. See something like this. Table become 100% width. After that inside the table. After that inside the table. Border also got applied, but it is not complete table. So let's come here and apply one more class that is called table hyphen bordered. Table hyphen BORDERED. Table hyphen bordered. Table bordered. Table bordered. Right. Let me go here and show you. You can say, see now, inside, outside, all the side border got applied. That is called table borders. So this way we have multiple type of border we have. Multiple type of CSS we have. Now let's write here one class called MB4 or MB5. MB5 what it will represent that we know already. MB5 says MB5 says margin bottom how much? Margin bottom 5 px. Okay, so let us go to the browser and see how it is happening. Next, you can apply here a class called shadow class. Shadow class wants to apply the same table, SHA, same table will look very perfect. You will find some shadow also got applied. Check now and see how table look. Shadow got apply or not. Shadow will get applied. So you here, this look like this. You can see little lining shadow got applied. That is increasing the appearance of table. Come down. Hope you have done table to table. You copy, paste after this. Table to table you copy and paste after this. Okay, same table, copy and paste below. Same table to table copy and paste. Same table to table copy and paste. And the table shadow also let it be. Apply here call table hyphen hover. A class called table hyphen hover. Class name as a table hover. Table hover. Table hover. Come to the browser and see once. Once you move the mouse here, some kind of color combination will change. Hope you can see that. Color combination is changing background. That is called hover. Copy the same table. Paste again in the last. Okay. Background hyphen hover. This table you copy, paste after this. Write that table hyphen SM. Table hover is okay. Let it be. Write table hyphen SM. SM. Table hyphen SM. The table will remain same. The spacing will get reduced. Lot of space are there. That space will get reduced. It will not have huge space. The space will be less space. The space will be less space. Inside the table, you can see padding will get reduced here. You can see table become less padding. So hope we are able to do that. Okay, let us go next. Copy the same table, paste after this again, and in that table border is there. You remove the border, replace with the striped. Border replace with the striped. Shadow let it be, hover let it be. Table SM you can remove. Just apply one class called striped. Some changes will happen. Some different look will come. Little different look will come. Hope written. Let us check now how that appear. One more table will come in the last, but by default you can see alternate lining is there. Can you see this alternate lining? Alternate lining you have already there by default. Okay, the background is coming which color? No, background, not background. Double line will get applied here. So this better and fantastic look and feel from the Bootstrap we have. So while creating the table in project, we can use this. It gives very perfect look. Okay. Now 3 is pending. So we are going to work on 3. So hope similar or something else. You can reply in the chat if something here there. So let's come to the 3. We will work under the 3 now. Inside the 3, display the list of category UL and LI. For UL, LI we have a separate CSS, separate class. UL, LI right here. Call item category. Item category. Add this 3-4 times. Right under the books category. Right under the mobile category. Right under the laptop category, right under the desktop category, right under the food category, write one more call, clothes category. Okay, so these all are the category of contents we have. Okay, check now. It will look like simple with no much look and feel. CSS we have to apply for that. Class is already written, then it will look perfect. So write the class name is for list group. List hyphen group is the name of the class. Okay, list group. Now for all the ALI, you have to write the class list group item. List group item is the class that we need to apply for all the ALI. This we can apply for all the ALI. List group item, something like this. Okay, hope ready. Check now how that appear. That look like this. In this also we can apply one particular item as active. The first li apply one class called active class. So these all are the name of the classes. We will make a note. Table we have made the note. The remaining this also we are going to make a note. Look ready. Check now. This should look like this. This will be the highlighted. as a heading. Okay, hope looks similar. Let us come to the developer guide now. There we can add the class for list group item, and then active. So right here for classes for left navigation or left side, you can add left side. We have a class called, class name we have called list group. List group. Next is called list group item. List icon, group icon item. And one more class is called as a active. List group item. Next class called active. So written. Next, after that, so table we saw, image we saw, then we saw called list group for left navigation. We have one more class. Let's make a note of that. That is called card, C-A-R-D. Class name is card. Class name is which class? Card class. So we can write here classes for card design. We have a class called card. It has three subclass. It has three subclass. One is called card hyphen header. Card hyphen body. Card hyphen footer. Card header, card body, card footer. Card head, card body, card footer, hope written. So in this file, I think we cannot add, will be overload. You have created example 5 file, we can go in that. In example 5, we can add that. Okay, inside the example 5 file, we can go there, and one row is open and row is closed. Let's find out where you are ending the row at last. Last you are ending the row somewhere, go there. After that, write a division, class equal to row. Inside that, create one more division, class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4, or maybe 3 you can write. Let's do till here. So call lg 3 is done. Come inside, write a division, class equal to card. Inside the card, you will follow 3 division, class equal to card hyphen header, card body and card footer. Card body and card footer. Card header, card body, card footer. Ready? Inside the card header, you can write today updates. Under the card body, just you keep some text. Keep some text under the card body. 2-3 line. In card footer, you can write view more. View more. Where? Under the card footer. Let's complete this college 3 and check once. What is the look of the page? Okay, hope ready. Check this file, example 5, how that look. Example 5 is something like this. A very good heading on the top and footer on the bottom. We can use here different BG color. BG hyphen primary and text hyphen white. Background class were written BG primary, we can use here, and text white. Text will come in which color? White color. Text will come in white color. Check once happening or not. That should look like this completely. Header separate color, footer separate color, and this is called card. In Bootstrap, this feature is called as a card. Card. So this all what we are learning one by one. We will be using this all together. Once we get some more classes names, we will use this all. These all are the useful things. Okay, so hope clear. We'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow, after tomorrow, attending the tomorrow class, we'll give you some pages, some photos. You will try as assignment. Okay, so in Bootstrap, what is the benefit? If you remember the class name, in Bootstrap, benefit is if you remember the class name, we can design any type of page. Any type of page we can design if we remember the class name. That is the benefit we have from where? From the Bootstrap. So many project requirement will be there where we have to use Bootstrap. Many project requirement will be there where we don't have to use the Bootstrap. Example 6 is here only now. Check now. Okay.